The show?
Of course, Blue Wing came with the clown. She screaming and hollering. Shekinah done jumped in because, you know, they yin and yang. I just don't understand. Once again, everywhere we go, Spice, it's you. Like, this moment is about Jessica, and I know Spice don't really know a lot about being glamorous, but I just don't know why she's screaming and hollering. She needs to slow down off that Jamaican juice. What did I... And hollering, she needs to slow down off that Jamaican juice. What did I...
Look pan that blood clot stuffed turkey. Yeah. Eh? Look pan this blood clot roast turkey. Look pan that roast turkey. Yeah. We are opening him stinking mouth and I come talk about somebody. Look pan roast turkey. Eh? Look pan that roast turkey. Yeah. Look pan roast turkey. Eh? Look pan roast turkey. And then Bambi, you know. Hold on, I want to put the whole on together because the live is not go too long. Because I don't have time. They might call me into a meeting. But hold on. I want to go for Bambi and hold on and put it together.
And shake her hand.
Hold on.
Say, hi. I just want to stay far from her. Y'all some ghetto ass bitch. So why would I sit at the table and shake her hands and say, hi? I just want to stay far from her. Y'all some ghetto ass bitches. You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on? Where's the problem? You're talking to my friend. As soon as Spice started yapping, Shekinah is going to be her little, you know what I'm saying, sidekick. Spice just inserts herself in everything. The clown crew is here. Weird ass bitch. I know you didn't just call me weird, baby. Yes, you are weird.
Bambi, your teeth them big like donkey. Your teeth them big like donkey. And your gum heavy like a 2 bag of cement. You come like you walk around with 32 steel in your mouth. The way your mouth heavy. You know see your mouth heavy if you stop. Don't call me name in your blood clot mouth. Your teeth them big. Beaver. You come talk about Spice always inserts herself into everything. Bitch, I know you blood clot, you that ask what's going on and it not have nothing to do with you. Dirty Bambi, you never say you insert yourself in it. Let me play a blood clot again. Come like you now watch your show. You know go watch a couple clips where them play to make it look like say I'm me an idiot. Let me play this again. Come on, where this did have to do with blood clot Bambi. Hold on. Let me play it again.
You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on?
Here she, what?
You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on? Bitches. You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on?
What's going on? Bambi, you blood clot that insert yourself in a way not have nothing at all to do with you. Me in a situation, first of all, for those of you who don't know, I was sitting at a table. Jessica came over and she tried to introduce Jasmine to me and her niece, who claim her niece is having sex, well, not sex. Jessica claimed that her niece is, I'm not gonna leave that part there. Mix up some mix up with Yandy and Yandy's husband that is not even relevant. So I'm not even gonna talk about my friend because I just never want to meet them. So if me in the room and Jessica go around and I talk about, oh, Mendisi this and Mendisi that and Yandy this and Yandy that, and me already know Jasmine, why you gonna bring them over my table come introduce to me? Me don't want blood clot meet them. And that me say, all of y'all, even when me dey on TV and I talk about, oh, Spice is a bully and Spice is, no, Spice is real. I only just not accustomed to real. So you don't want me to sit down at the table and, hi, Jasmine, me no blood clot, me no be no grosser. Me no grosser. So me get up from the table, cause me say me no want to talk to them, gal. Me no know them from where me and them no go school, me and them no cross pedestrian, me and them never drink a cup of tea. I want to talk about my friend them, and my friend them husband, and me come and I want to sit down at the table, uno vex, and then me messy, and I'm here the problem. So I got up from the table. When I got up from the table, my friend Shekinah walked over to me, and you know, what's going on, whatever. Jasmine walk all the way from over which part should they come ask, oh, what's happening? And them insert them blood clot self in my situation. So I don't understand why them not edit the show for soon up do the two blood clot, yeah. Why them always make it look the opposite way. I wanna insert yourself in a me no want chat to no. Because that's some mistake when me not like uno, me not like uno. And that me say. Me not play hypocrite like you. Me Bambi, remember you not like me, no, but you're afraid to say it. Because you suck your friend pussy. And your friend a fuck you with a dildo. But you're afraid to say you don't like me. So when you dip on the show, because you want the look two love and hip hop check, you act like say, oh, hi. Remember you don't like me? Remember good no man? You don't like me from morning and now at night. Because you dip on live the other day with your friend was say, me a blue monkey, and I try justify the fact, say, oh, she was just saying that because she wears blue hair. So you need to justify in the same sentence why she did say that, but the rest of people, them, what she called blue monkey, no, what she called black monkey. Because remember, she wasn't the first offender. But because check on everything, you will always sell out on a blood clot soul. So remember good no man? Remember good say your friend did talk, said Johnny Blaze a monkey, and Johnny Blaze never said nothing about her son. Since you want to justify the reason why your friend say I'm a blue monkey, when you justify my situation, justify Johnny Blaze in the same sentence, and justify the promoter what she called monkey in the same sentence, that never said anything about her son. So fuck you and your big teeth. Your teeth them big like donkey and your fucking gum heavy like cement. And that me say. You no need for like me. So Becky we just put out straight. It's all afraid for talk. Oh, no really feel. Let me tell you say me no blood clot here. Because you notice what me know. You not act like say me come and love and hip hop to get likes out. Me no need to get likes. Me come. You not act like say you not paint this picture to the audience. Spice is a bully and Spice is this and Spice is like, I don't give a flying fuck. Me no need nobody for like me. Me no need you to paint a good picture for me for the audience. I am the audience. You don't realize? Me come there with my audience. I came to love and hip hop as Spice. I came with my fans. So I wanna plot up and a scheme up and a try to make it look like say I am this bad person. I don't give a fuck. Me still gonna be me. With or without one thing when I try to create. Well, let me tell you something. I might be busy because I just come from England and I'm on my way back to England because you know me I got the Red Bull culture clash. So get ready for that because you know I want next trouble that. So yeah, this is my culture. Welcome to the club. Because first of all, the whole on the streams low on a blood clot al Bambi we have 11 listener. And people are fight with her for get her music and get her career. When I run up and down and come talk about, oh, it's Spice's fault. Oh, it's this one. Oh, I'm arguing. Oh, this. And then our blood clot hypocrite Jack. Jack, you, Jasil, whatever you want name. You play hypocrite when the cameras come on and come talk about, oh, I don't want to be a part of this. Like you never do a clash song. Jack, remember good no man? Remember you do a diss record before? Remember Kendrick Lamar's song just win 5 Grammy and him just perform a Super Bowl? You know, act like me I introduce something to you wanna never see it before. Hypocritical blood clot set how you be. You leave me alone, don't call me name because you don't like me for morning and one night and that me say. So stop calling me name, no play no hypocrite with me. And when I come back on the show, I not speak no proper English if you don't want to understand me that I found a blood clot problem. Go suck on no mama and go. And stop calling me name. And move and go. You think say me want, you like me or me have me whatever. You move with the dirty blood clot and go from there. Stink like shit. Yeah. You alright? Every day, Saucy, you depend on my name. Saucy, first of all, don't remember say me not forget, you know. Remember say you're not really like. For put this now. You're so confused within your body. You not even love yourself. You're not like black, beautiful. You're not like that something there. Remember you did call Beyonce that a nappy. Hold on, let me make sure. Because I me say it, let me make sure. I dig up a tweet them, you know. Remember me dig up everything. I always have my receipts. Remember you did say Blue Ivy head nappy. Remember? Let me show the people them how you stay. So, oh, you gonna say something good about me. We black on my head nappy. Oh, you gonna say something good about me. Oh, you gonna like me. If you see a little baby, like Blue Ivy. Eh? Pretty blood clot Blue Ivy. And you gonna say, oh, I'm sorry, Northwest Clears Blue Ivy have several car seats. See it, you say it. Come now, man. Come now. Now you this. Now you this. Material girl. Come now. See ya, man. Now you this, a tweet. Are you this, you know? So, oh, you gonna like me. Oh, you are gonna say this about me. Oh, you gonna say nothing good about me. See, yeah, your tweet them and I make them up. Me get them off a shade room. See them, yeah, man. Talk no man. Talk no man. Talk. Talk. See your monthly listener, yeah. 600. See you there. Me in a class by myself, Saucy. You could never sit at my table. You're for glad for love and hip hop that you had a chance to have a conversation with me. You can't talk to me no time, nowhere, on stage, off stage, hit song, you name it, the list long. You could never. So if you tweet them something about Blue Ivy, pretty Blue Ivy, you think me expect you to say something better about me? You really think, say, when me see you, all me see is chaos. You don't see yourself, you're not a mirror at your yard. Me drop my album name Mirror 25. Go buy a mirror and looking at it. Just stand up and looking at the mirror one day. Do it for me. Just stand up with yourself and look. If I know you look like a blood-clad clown. Beard and makeup. And you look like the clown. See, I come talk about, oh, when you're a little clown shit, like you think me never sit down in front of you and make a disrespect anything when me affiliated with, anything when me put my name on. Eh? If you talk about a little baby like that, a black, beautiful baby, eh? You think me forget? Oh, you thought I moved on from it. You thought I didn't remember. Remember. So from me see you, all me see a chaos. Because you're not even happy within yourself. You know, see you live in a confusion. You're living in one confusion spirit. Go suck your mother, don't call me blood clot name. You know, like me, I mean, I like you neither from morning. You're not Carisha. You're not Lil Nas X. You're not Alonzo. You need to bathe and get deodorant and put under your arm. You know, so you sweat. You come like natural spring water. Fuck out of here when I come call me name. No, upon the show, no call me blood clot name. If you don't like me, I don't like you neither. When I act like so, when I the fuck? And go from there. Bun me a tour and can't get the answer on me there England and I can't get the answer on and put on a place. So I don't think you could sit down in front of me for a split second. If I never love hip hop, you know shake the producer them on. If them not tell me sometimes the tattoo or what me no look pound. Me no look. You never see me outside that show. You know me, man. You come like me for show on the real me. You feel like say, when I paint this person on TV like, oh, Spice is there. Me fans them blood clot know me. From morning. And from 1999 me I do this. I never come here come act like me cute. And when them say, oh, you feel be the bigger person, me tell them me little. Me very small. Me no big, me no celebrity, me no give a flying fuck. So when up there on this show, I run up and I'm gonna act like we're gonna group up together and create this narrative. I don't give a blood clot. Welcome to the club. Google me. Google me. Put in my name and ask Google. Call Siri. Wanna think? Anyway, hi besties. How are you guys? Where is my besties? I've been missing you guys. I know I've been busy, but I've been all over the place. I just come from England. I did the Mobile Awards. It was super good, and I'm super